the progress of the biscotti and the frittata. Sorry about the quick ending on the video, but my phone died. So let me show you. This is the biscotti. It's been twice baked now. That's part of it. The other one's still in there, cooking on its second time, baking on its second one. So that's nice and solid, nice and crunchy. And then this right here is the frittata, the zucchini frittata. It's delicious. Already had some. So that's the frittata. So thank you for watching, and that was pretty cool. I haven't done cooking on here before, I don't think, but thank you, and don't forget to follow. Have a good day.